than the whole world combined for the last 15 years. Absolutely mind-blowing, really mind-blowing. In 2026, people are driving these around, literally inside. It's so basic. I actually thought it was going to be a bit more technically advanced, but it's literally like playing a PlayStation. How much do these cost for one?
We don't sell one.
You don't sell one?
Yeah. Look at all the people.
I didn't even realise.
The first ever robot bed cleaner.
Hi guys and welcome back. We're currently in Guangzhou and we're at the 139th Canton Fair. And we are going to show you what the consumer electronics have got going on this year. It looks incredible. This place is booming. Considering we're at the last day of this phase, it is so busy. Like so many people said, oh don't go, everyone's like packing up. No.
It's well busy.
And we've come straight to the watches. This is what I've been wanting to see. We went to the Canton Fair in 2025 and I want to see how far they've come.
Sorry?
Steps?
Yeah.
Yeah? What else does it do?
And
Oh, okay.
sports mall, we support 100 sports mall. And you can edit the sports mall by the app.
Oh, it's on an app, yeah?
Yes. And then monitor your daily health, like the heart rate, blue oceans, jabs, sleep, and the body energy for female, also the cycle check-in.
Oh, yeah. How much does this cost?
For one, right?
For one, yeah.
One, 300 RMB.
That's good.
That's good. That's very nice. I like the roundness. They're normally square, but round's nice.
Okay. That's good. We keep looking. We look.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh, great start straight away. I wanted to find the laptops. Look, we've got a MacBook and I'm really into, Lenovo at the moment. I really like their stuff. So I was just going to see if they had a store here and some laptops, but let's see what we see on the way.
That's something we forget though. Like obviously as Westerners, we are not brainwashed, but it's drummed into us. Samsung.
Yeah, the same product.
Same brands every time, but we forget all these Chinese brands, and there's just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different brands that you probably at home haven't even heard of. Like that watch, I don't even know what brand that watch was. But if you spend 250 quid on a Apple version of that watch, does exactly the same thing. Maybe it's probably made in the same factory. And then we're probably thinking, hold on a minute, are we being ripped off?
Oh, we've got like the big screens here. So you know when you go to restaurants and all that, they've got ones here, and they've got like their WeChat.
It's like a big iPad.
They've got YouTube. Oh, oopsie. Ah, there you go, doing. Go on then, put ours on. That and that.
You've got to log in.
So good.
OTWD.
没有，你看。
Yeah. This is me.
This is your.
This is me.
You have so many fans.
I know.
So many followers.
We'll just leave that on the screen for you. It does it every time.
I left it playing for her. She's probably like trying to turn it off.
Alright, this is what I was looking for. The laptops, all the gadgets, the devices. So tablets, computers.
Check all this stuff out. It's insane. It's holograms. Look at them all there. The butterfly up there and that. Right guys, check this out. A waterproof TV. You do see some mad stuff in this Canton Fair. I was just doing some research. So China, they manufacture 60% of the world's electronics. So the stuff we see here is going to be in living rooms, in houses, and pubs, and sports centres, and whatever, all over the world. So you've got like AI glasses here as well. They've also got like earphones as well here. So China, you know I said about China manufactures 60% of the world's electronics, but they manufacture 70% of the world's earphones. So yeah, you'll see them everywhere as well.
They're even starting to create like pretty jewelries that like connect to you, which is like you can track it. Look at the watches.
Yeah,
you can track it all on your phone and that. They're even making bloody jewelry now.
Yeah, like it's no longer a tacky plastic watch. It's now a fashionable jewelry item.
These are the ones, the rings. A lot of people are getting these now. So they can like monitor blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep, calories, skin temperature, which is quite good, especially if you've got like a heart problem and all that. So they can alert you if there's something wrong. So here they've got like the AI glasses. Check them out. So we've actually got the Meta ones. Try them on.
Yeah, but they were very expensive, weren't they?
Yeah.
You know?
That's what we're trying to find, affordable goods in China.
Oh, so that took a picture.
So you got the camera and either side, and they're actually quite smart looking. So they've got actually like loads of different designs. So they record videos, taking pictures, Bluetooth, AI translation, which ours don't do that. Navigation as well.
Translation as well. I would like to know how much these cost, because I would love some glasses with Chinese translation. Ni hao, how much do these cost for one?
We don't sell one.
You don't sell one?
Yeah.
Okay, how much does it retail?
We don't do retail.
You don't do resale?
Yes.
Okay. I want to. It's okay. So I did this last pair. I do actually want a pair. 135 languages. It translates like instantly. And obviously being in China, it's very, very convenient. And also, obviously we travel with 66 countries, so we do travel a bit. And it's very convenient to sometimes know what people are saying. Generally, if she gave me a price then I would have bought one, but she didn't want to, so they're obviously going for a bigger market with someone that wants to buy a load of them. Right, I'm not digging at that girl because she's obviously she's at work, she's doing a job, she's working on a Sunday. Come on. I do think if someone, like, obviously I've got a buyer's badge, so as far as she's concerned, I'm here to make videos, but as far as she's concerned, I'm a buyer. So she should have if I ask for for a retail price, or she should have a price for one, she should have a price per unit to give me, because it's all right saying like, oh, I want to buy 10,000 units, but you would really want to know what your markup is for one product before you could actually put a price on it. But that's I'm not a businessman, but I'm just thinking like that something's probably misinformation there.
Oh my god, I've seen this like everywhere, but I didn't believe it. So this is print nails.
Print nails.
So is it someone painting it? I need to check this out.
It's going right over my head.
So I want to have a go, but as soon as I come over, she's got to have a left. So this is what this gal just had. She had a panda printed on there, but I don't know how to work it. So I need someone to come over and help me.
Did it look any good?
It looks really good. You put it under the UV light, and then you get nail painted on it, like the curing at the end. File the shine off.
She's getting a full-blown nail makeover.
Print gel, okay. So print gel first of all you put on. Yeah.
See, I find this really entertaining. Goes in there.
Then it seals on your finger.
Oh, you pick your design.
Yeah. Oh, what should I go for? Cat.
Go on then, cat. Yeah, that's all you, innit? So it seals on your finger.
Yeah, look. If you look on the screen, you can see my nail.
Ah, yeah.
And then she'll put that on there.
Right on the nail.
Start printing.
You have many cameras.
Yeah. Look at all the people.
I didn't even realise.
For the main event.
Yeah, they will be famous.
Yeah.
I can't feel anything. Where's my phone? So it's like clamped down on your finger.
Yeah.
Is it done?
Wow, that was so quick.
Whoa.
Let me see.
I'll show you.
Oh, wow.
That's actually really good.
That's really good.
And then you put it under the UV light.
It's so quick.
I can't believe that.
Beautiful.
I want one.
Yeah.
Find out how much the little ones are.
Ask her.
I will in a minute. See it. I know how much this one is, but the little one, I'll have a look in a minute. I'm just curing my nail. I actually wouldn't mind one of the little ones. I think they're well good.
Ni hao. How much is the little one? The little one. How much?
Ben, I just said I'd look on the price sheet in a minute. Ah, the little one's $299.
Oh. Quid. Oh, $200.
So this would do that. Really? And you get all these with that. What did you say? It's $300.
$300. Yeah.
List of
$300.
accessories.
Not bad.
So you get the inks, the gels. Ah, okay. So it's like an app. Look at it. I love it. I actually really want one.
So a big thing this year is AI integration. So they're now integrating AI into robotics, into EV cars, and now into fitness equipment. It's all AI integrated. So it's your gym workout's now smart.
So like a cable machine, and it tracks everything instead of. Oh, go on, mate.
Go on, mate.
So it tracks your reps, it tracks your heart rate, it's got a machine to track it all. That's quite cool.
There's some random stuff here, but I think this is genius. So a smart robot mows the lawn. Look, it mows the lawn. Reanne thinks I'm really odd and really she's like, oh, that's boring. But I don't think it's boring. I think that's a job that when I used to own a house, it's a job I used to not really like. To check these out, right? So drones now, they're starting to make drone taxis. Drones are doing all sorts, and these drones are your more industrial style drones and for horticultural purposes. So these drones they'll fly above big crop fields, they'll spray crops, and yeah, man, look at the size of these drones. Yeah, like I'm saying, the cargo drone, these drones here, they are designed for big horticultural projects. So here's your drone taxi. So you've got this style and this style. This is the style that they're testing at the moment, and soon, I think it's going to be within this year, they're going to launch drone taxis in cities like Guangzhou, Shanghai, Beijing. They're already in the testing phase, and that'll be coming later this year. Here's the first for me. The first ever robot bed cleaner. Goes there, cleans your bed for you. Right, I've got like various different laptops here. I just want to tell you a little fun fact, right? I was doing some research on consumer electronics, and China produce more laptops, phones and tablets than the whole world combined for the last 15 years, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Really mind-blowing.
That's 130 USD.
130 USD.
That's... Yeah. What?
Wow. How does this compare to like an iPad?
On the pen. So do you connect to, what's it called?
Like an app store?
App Store, yeah.
Yeah. Is it like an app store? Can you get...
That's powered by as Android.
Android, yeah. 130
well good.
USD.
I know.
100 quid. It's worth buying.
I know. It's got up there now.
Yeah.
Might be back. Thank you.
Thank you. That's an extremely low price, isn't it? Wow. I'd like to buy something like that, test it, and then see what it's like in like 6 months or something. Because sometimes when you buy cheap, you expect things not to last. So this is what China looks like in 2026. People are driving these around. You got literally inside. It's so basic. I actually thought it was going to be a bit more technically advanced, but it's literally like playing a PlayStation. Up, down, flying over whatever. You don't even know what you're flying over. We did say we'd come back and buy one, so I'll get one.
Done. We bought one.
Oh.
Sealed one.
It's giving me the empty box.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Cool Sky.
We bought a computer.
Cool Sky.
Sorry, did I hit you?
I'll keep you updated of how it is. everyone is starting to pack up. So this phase 1 of the Canton Fair is over today. We're going to love you and leave you, but we've got...
Hungry and thirsty. We need to go home and play with our new gadget.
Yeah, I know. I'm quite hungry as well. So we'll get some good, proper good Cantonese food tonight. I'm buzzing for, like, I don't know, bit of rice, bit of duck or something. But we've got loads more to come. We've got the biggest auto show in the world coming up. We've also got...
I don't know how to get out there.
But also got loads more to come from China. So subscribe.
And we are going to show you what the Consumer Electronics